Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Marvin the Marvelous Magician. And today is a very special day. It's the birthday of the man who got me interested in magic when I was just a boy, my grandfather, Martin. My grandfather isn't a magician. He is a mathematician. Martin the Marvelous Mathematician. He loves everything about numbers. He taught me my very first trick, a math trick. When it comes to math, a trick is really just a clever way to solve a problem. It's sometimes called a strategy. Here's an easy addition strategy my grandfather taught me. When you add 0 to a number, any number, the sum is always the same as the number you started with. Here, let me show you using these balloons. Oh, where did I put those balloons? Five balloons plus 0 balloons equals 5. 10 balloons plus 0 balloons equals 10. Now, here's another math trick you can use to amaze your friends. Just remember, when you're adding two numbers, it doesn't matter which number comes first and which one comes second. The sum is always the same. So, if you don't remember 8 plus 5, see if you remember 5 plus 8. That's better. And here's a good trick you can use when adding 10. Just remember that when you add 10, the ones digit of the sum is the same as the number you started with. So, 3 party whistles plus 10 party whistles equals 13 party whistles. We had 3 ones to start with, and we still have 3 ones. Or 7 party hats plus 10 party hats equals 17 party hats. Remember, if you really want to be good at addition like my grandfather, Martin the Marvelous Mathematician, you need to know all of your addition facts from 0 plus 0 to 10 plus 10. Okay, so there's just one thing missing from this party.
Ta-da! No matter how many times you do that trick, I never get used to it.
Oh, happy birthday!
Click on the next activity. 3 plus 10. 2 plus addition tricks. Click on the next activity.
Oh, hello there. I'm Marvin the Marvelous Magician's grandfather, Martin. It seems Marvin hasn't arrived yet. I'm sure he'll arrive soon. I'm not a magician. I'm a mathematician. Marvin calls me Martin the Marvelous Mathematician. Yes, well, I don't do any magic tricks per se, but I do know some math tricks. You see, when it comes to math, a trick is really just a clever way to solve a problem. It's sometimes called a strategy. Here's a simple subtraction math trick to start with. Remember that when you subtract 0 from a number, any number at all, the difference is always the same as the number that you started with. So, 4 minus 0 equals 4. Or 11 minus 0 equals 11. Or 18 minus 0 equals 18. That's right. Even 1 billion minus 0 still equals 1 billion. Ta-da! Here's another math trick you could use to astound your friends. Simply remember that when you subtract a number from itself, then... Whoa! Marvin! There you are!
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Marvin, the Marvelous Magician. I'm sorry I'm late. Not even magic could get me out of that traffic jam.
I was just entertaining your guests with some math tricks.
Oh, I love your math tricks. Oh, which ones were you showing them?
I was saying that when you subtract a number from itself, the difference is always 0.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. Let me demonstrate. 10 minus 10 equals 0.
Precisely! Just as 3 minus 3 equals 0, and 7 minus 7 equals 0, and 18 minus 18 equals 0.
I remember another great subtraction trick you taught me.
Do tell.
This is a great trick you can use once you learn your number families. If you're trying to remember 9 minus 5, think of the number family that has 9 at the top and 5 in one of the corners. What's in the other corner? 4, because 5 plus 4 equals 9. And that tells you that 9 minus 5 equals 4.
How did you do that?
I'll tell you later, Grandpa. Here's one final math trick you can use to astound and amaze. Remember that when you subtract 10, the ones digit of the difference is the same as the ones digit in the number you started with. If I have 14 apples, which is 1 10 and 4 ones, then when I take 10 away, I'm left with the 4 ones.
How did you do that?
I'll tell you later, Grandpa. Remember, if you really want to be good at subtraction, you need to know all of the subtraction facts from 0 minus 0 to 20 minus 10. It might seem like a lot to remember, but just like being a great magician, math takes lots of practice. So don't worry about getting it right the first time. Or the second. Just keep trying.
But how did I do that?
I'll tell you later, Grandpa.
Click on the next activity. 16 My Subtraction Tricks. Click on the next activity.
Martin's Math Magic. When I waved the magic wand, 3 possible answers appeared. Can you help me find the right one? Which one of these addition sentences shows the same sum? Well done! 8 plus 4 equals 12. Now, which one of the numbers is the answer to the question? Very nice! 4 plus 8 equals 12. Which one of these addition sentences shows the same sum? Awesome! 7 plus 6 equals 13. Now, which one of the numbers is the answer to the question? Very nice. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Which one of these addition sentences shows the same sum? Well done. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Now, which one of the numbers is the answer to the question? Nice going. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Which number family will help us find the answer to the problem? Nice going! 12, 3, 9. Now, which one of the numbers is the answer to the question? Nice going! 12 minus 3 equals 9. Which number family will help us find the answer to the problem? Very nice. 15, 7, 8. Now, which one of the numbers is the answer to the question? Nice going! 15 minus 7 equals 8. Which number family will help us find the answer to the problem? Oh, that's wonderful! 13, 6, 7. Now, which one of the numbers is the answer to the question? Nice going! 13 minus 6 equals 7. Good job!
Here's the sight word bin. Do you know it when you see it? Let's take a look at bin to make sure that you can read it.
I have been to many places. Some were close and some were far. I have been on a ship, in a plane, and in a car. I have been to the mountains, the desert, and the sea. I'm just glad that you have been there all along with me.
Now you know the sight word bin, which you will often see. Watch for B-E-E-N. You will read it easily.
activity.
Marvin's missing balloons. Some of my birthday party balloons are missing. Help me find which ones I need to replace.
Play!
5th, 7th. Let's see which balloon I'm missing here. You got it. 6th, 9th, 11th. What goes between them? Wonderful! 10th, 16th, 18th. Which balloon is missing here? Well done! 17th, 20th, 22nd. What number balloon am I missing here? Very nice. 21st, 24th, 26th. Which one is missing? Great! 25th, 29th, 31st. Which one fits the order? Good! 30th. I wonder what happened to those balloons that went missing. Awesome!
Click on the next activity.
1. Done.
Click on the next activity.